Definition of incident and explain, safety interview, questions and answers. Question: what is the definition of incident? An unplanned, undesired event that has the potential to cause harm, injury, damage, or disruption to people, property, processes, or the environment. Incidents are often precursors to accidents if not properly managed, and they serve as critical indicators of potential risks or failures in a system. In safety management, incidents are categorized and analyzed to prevent future occurrences and improve safety protocols. Question: what are the key aspects of the safety definition of an incident? 1. Unplanned event. An incident is not part of the normal operation or process. 2. Potential for harm. It may or may not result in actual injury, damage, or loss, but it has the potential to do so. 3. Near miss. An incident where no harm occurs but could have under slightly different circumstances. 4. Root cause analysis. Incidents are investigated to identify underlying causes and implement corrective actions. 5. Preventive measure. Reporting and analyzing incidents help organizations improve safety systems and prevent future accidents. Question: what is the expanded definition of an incident? Accidents. Events that result in actual injury, illness, or damage. Near misses. Events where no harm occurred but could have under slightly different circumstances. Unsafe conditions or acts. Situations or behaviors that could lead to an incident if not addressed. Incidents are critical to safety management because they provide opportunities to identify weaknesses in systems, processes, or behaviors and to implement corrective actions. Question: what are the types of incidents? Incidents can be categorized based on their nature and impact. Safety incidents. Events that pose a risk to human health and safety, for example, slips, falls, equipment malfunctions. Environmental incidents. Events that harm the environment, for example, chemical spills, emissions. Security incidents. Events that compromise security, for example, unauthorized access, theft. Operational incidents. Events that disrupt normal operations, for example, machinery breakdowns, power outages. Health incidents. Events that affect physical or mental health, for example, exposure to hazardous substances, workplace stress. Question: what are the key characteristics of an incident? Unplanned. Occurs outside the normal workflow or expectations. Undesired. Has negative consequences or the potential for negative consequences. Causal factors. Often results from a combination of human error, equipment failure, or procedural deficiencies. Preventable. Many incidents can be avoided through proper risk assessment, training, and safety measures. Question: what is the importance of incident reporting and analysis? Prevention. Identifying and addressing the root causes of incidents helps prevent future occurrences. Compliance. Many industries are legally required to report incidents to regulatory authorities. Continuous improvement. Incident data is used to refine safety protocols, training programs, and risk management strategies. Cultural impact. Encouraging incident reporting fosters a proactive safety culture where employees feel responsible for safety. Question: what is the incident management process? The management of incidents typically involves the following steps. 1. Reporting. Employees or witnesses document the incident. 2. Investigation. A thorough analysis is conducted to determine the root causes. 3. Categorization. The incident is classified based on its type and severity. 4. Corrective actions. Measures are implemented to address the root cause and prevent recurrence. 5. Documentation. Records are maintained for future reference and compliance. 6. Review. The effectiveness of corrective actions is evaluated over time. Question: what is the incident severity levels? Incidents are often classified by their severity to prioritize response and analysis. Minor incident. Little to no harm or damage, for example, a near miss or minor injury. Moderate incident. Significant but non-life-threatening harm or damage, for example, a broken bone or equipment damage. Major incident. Severe harm, fatalities, or extensive damage, for example, a workplace fatality or large-scale environmental spill. Question: what are the examples of incidents? A worker slips on a wet floor but is not injured, near miss. A fire breaks out in a warehouse, causing property damage, safety incident. A chemical spill contaminates a local water source, environmental incident. A machine malfunctions and injures an operator, accident. Question: what is the legal and regulatory context? In many industries, incidents must be reported to regulatory bodies, for example, OSHA in the US, HSE in the UK. Failure to report incidents can result in penalties, fines, or legal action. Regulations often define specific thresholds for reporting. For example, injuries requiring medical treatment, fatalities, or significant environmental damage. Question: what is the role of incident analysis in safety systems? Incident analysis is a cornerstone of safety management systems, SMS, and involves root cause analysis, RCA, identifying the underlying causes of an incident. Trend analysis, spotting patterns in incident data to address systemic issues. Risk assessment, updating risk assessments based on incident findings. Training and awareness, using incident case studies to educate employees. Question: what is the proactive versus reactive approaches? Reactive, addressing incidents after they occur, for example, investigating and correcting. Proactive, preventing incidents through hazard identification, risk assessments, and safety training.